Let's watch some TV.
Hello folks, and thank you for tuning into the robot weather forecast. I'm happy to say that tomorrow's school will be cancelled as it will snow around 20 inches tomorrow. Kids, you better tell your parental guardians about the school shutdown.
Caillou, how dare you watch TV while you're grounded? Go sleep right now.
But Dad, I don't have school tomorrow.
Yes, you do. Now go sleep now.
But school is cancelled tomorrow.
You are lying. Go to your room right now.
In Caillou's room.
Why did Dad hit me? He should watch the news. Wow, I guess I'll sleep. GRRGRGRGRRGRG.
You are late for school. Wake up right now.
Okay, I'm awake.
Good, so get dressed and walk to school.
Wait, I should check the window right now to see if there is snow. No, it is snowing like heck outside. I don't wanna walk.
In the living room.
Remember, you get no breakfast, so go ahead and go to school.
Outside.
Wow, it is snowing so much out here. I guess it's time to walk. I think I'm lost.
Back at home.
Honey, shouldn't Caillou be back home from school by now?
What about Rosie?
1, she's sick, and 2, we need to worry about Caillou right now.
It is snowing super hard right now. I think he's lost.
Wah, we have failed as a parent.
Let's just go find him.
Back to Caillou.
I made it to Plotagon Plaza at least. Wow, I miss Mom and Dad.
Caillou, yours okay?
Let's just go home.
Agreed.
Back home.
Dad?
I'm sorry, Caillou.
I forgive you.
You know what? You are ungrounded.
Yay.